Pinky, you like that? Oh.
She's a goof.
Do the massager thing again. I didn't.
You didn't catch it all?
Here we go.
Get it, Pinky. Ooh, that'll give me a headache.
Pinky, is that good? Oh. Yeah.
Why do you gotta go get her, Mom?
Pinky, is that good? Your voice is distorted.
Pinky, is that good?
Yeah.
Is that good?
Pinky, is that good? Huh? Pinky. You're a weird cat. I think I'm enjoying it more than you.
Hi.
Pinky, is that good? Huh? What? You say bye?
I feel good, Pinky?
Yeah?